Right, welcome back to day 100. Today we took a loss and we ended up breaking our winning streak, so to say. So, that said, I'm going to go into my thesis, why I took the longs, and why I didn't wait, because this is a daily level, a daily like top of the order block, why I didn't wait for that. So, if we go to the 15 minute and you see this London opening, we get really bullish opening. You can see that we retraced, respected this order block right here, and then we pull higher. You can see sort of like a similar pattern here, where you got this break of structure over here, then it breaks, and then we close above here. Then New York opens, tests this 5 minute order block, which was also inside the 15-minute order block, and then we push higher. So at this point, I'm waiting for the usual 15 minutes to pass, to get the 15 minutes here to pass, and I'm waiting for price to retrace into some sort of like 5 minute PD array. So it could have been this for value gap or this for value gap. You get these push right here on this for value gap and a small touch over here, and then we push and close right here. So at this point, I'm still okay. We're still holding bullish even after this massive push down. We're still holding bullish, so I'm going to wait for a 5 minute break of structure, which we got right here. I'm going to wait for 5 minutes to retest it, and then I'm going to go to the 1 minute and look for the same pattern again. So retest of the 5 minute order block, um, break of structure of the 1 minute from that reaction, and then enter on the order block on the 1 minute and try to catch the trend continuation. So ended up taking my entry here. I thought about taking the entry here, assuming, but this was just like too much speculation. Assuming that the manipulation would go to like here, the end of this 5 minute order block, and that this would stop it, and then I would, put my stop loss somewhere down here, and my TP would have been like almost, not almost the same, but similar to that. My TP would have been here. I thought about it, but then I just thought this was too much of speculation from my end and wasn't really my strategy. So I just decided not to take it. Either way, I'm happy with the loss. I'm happy that I I followed the system. I didn't panic. I didn't close early, and yeah, ended up entering here because you get the touch of the 5 minute order block. You get this 1 minute order block, which is the order block that formed structure on the 1 minute, respected as well. We break structure. We ended up pushing a lot higher, but then closing below. This still looked bullish to me. And because we broke above this and slightly above this previous high. So I'm thinking test of this order block and then we go higher. I had this level here to keep in mind that we could touch this, break 1 minute structure, and that I would TP there, or just move stops, just a level to watch out. We ended up closing above, we ended up get filled, closed above here. And I was aware this was also like basically a new 5 minute candle, and that the next candle would be a new 15-minute candle, and that things could get pretty volatile there. So saw this push down here, but we hadn't closed the 15-minute candle. I said, okay, it's nice that we're respecting and close above here. Maybe 15 minutes still needs to play out. So I'm gonna stick with my stop loss and see where we go from there. So we ended up chopping a little bit, tried to push higher, didn't close. Tried again, we didn't close, and then we just ended up selling and hit my stop loss. So overall, yes, I could have waited from this daily level over here, but I was really confident that we would either go here or to these. These are 1 hour levels. I was really confident that we would go to these 1 hour levels right here because it's just where it would make sense to go, and that level wouldn't have played like a big part in it. That said, I still believe we move bullish, but I took my trade for the day, so I'm done. So I'll get ready to go to the gym, and I see you tomorrow for day 101.